Hey everyone, welcome to our video on Indian autonomous weapons systems. Before we start, make sure to hit like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment below. Your interaction means a lot to us. Discover India's futuristic weapons. Join us to explore the latest in high-tech defense systems shaping India's future warfare. India's involvement in autonomous weapons development is a complex and nuanced issue. While the country hasn't deployed fully autonomous weapons yet, it actively pursues technology with varying levels of autonomy and engages in the international debate surrounding them. Here's a breakdown of the current state. Development. India boasts several ongoing AWD projects, including ACTUV, Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, an autonomous underwater drone designed for underwater surveillance and anti-submarine warfare. SWIFT Stealth Wing Flying Test Bed, a technology demonstrated for the future stealth combat drone, the Ghatak near autonomous systems. India already uses several near autonomous weapon systems such as Harpy air defense suppression system, autonomous loitering munition for targeting enemy radars, Flanks close-in weapon system, ship-based automated defense system against incoming missiles and aircraft. India's foray into autonomous weapon systems is marked by delicate balance between national security needs, ethical concerns, and evolving international landscape. While not yet possessing fully autonomous weapons, India actively develops technologies with varying degree of autonomous and engages in global debates surrounding them. The engineering of autonomous weapon systems (AWS) is a complex and multifaceted field encompassing a vast array of disciplines and technology. Understanding how these systems function requires delving into several key areas. Autonomous weapon systems are advanced military technologies that operate without direct human intervention. In India, these systems involve various intricate elements, sensors and navigation. AWS relies on sensors like camera, radars, and GPS to gather information about their surroundings. These sensors help them to understand their environment, detect potential targets, and navigate autonomously. For instance, cameras provide visual data, while GPS aids in determining the system's location. Decision making and AI. At core of AWS functionality lies artificial intelligence. Machine learning model analyze data collected by sensors to make decisions regarding target engagement. However, the level of autonomy guaranteed to these systems spark debate concerning ethical concerns and necessity of human control over these systems. Weapons and mobility. Depending on their design, AWS can be equipped with various weapons from guns to missiles and possesses mobility capabilities such as drones or unmanned vehicles. These systems require precision control mechanisms to handle weaponry while navigating through complex environments autonomously. Safety and regulation. Ensuring the safety and reliability of AWS is paramount. These systems need function effectively even in certain component malfunctions. Rigorous testing and verification before deployment are necessary. Moreover, the absence of clear international regulation raises concern about potential misuse, prompting the need for defined rules and agreements governing their use. India's AWD development is a dynamic and evolving field. The country navigates a complex landscape of security needs, ethical concerns, and international pressure. While India hasn't deployed fully autonomous weapons yet, its ongoing projects and active participation in international discussions indicate a continued focus on this emerging technology.